You are live. Good, you are live. Back to old camera today. I love Canon, although it's such a pain. We will be coding today with Chip AI Agent. The thing is, like, I ran out of credit here. Claude Sonnet was pretty good. I liked it, and I wish I could use it more, but yeah, but it wasn't given. I mean, it's the end of the year. I have to wait a couple of days, and then new credit will come in. I obviously could pay a couple of dollars, but I think I can actually get one of those guys to work pretty decent. Let's see how it goes today. So basically, like yesterday, I was there building JavaScript for Bigfoot. Yeah. So yesterday I've been building like a couple of backups. For example, when you start an application and there are no products, it should give us some information, or no deliveries, it should give us a button to start with something. PM dev. So let's just start developing. So instead of just having a blank page, I should have something nice there. CD backend, yeah. So we have our front end, backend, and Python manage by run server. Probably I need to hide this bit, and I think this is hidden here somewhere. I need to check. So some of this is abstracted. I think like the yeah, okay. So yesterday it was quite successful when I started. I thought no one will ever join, and then a couple of guys joined. So it was pretty good actually. And one of the guys, Ahmed, he offered that he will be doing testing for the application. So I actually emailed him so some links to it, and he will play with it. And then like after a couple of days, we will have a chat where he will be trying to break my application and just telling me what's wrong with it, and hopefully it will not be too bad. So hopefully it will do a good job and will nicely display some stuff and will not let me down. As you might have seen, this application is probably like 90% AI. I wrote some of the stuff. I initially wrote some of the models for my backend models. So some of this stuff, like company will be done by me. User definitely not. Some of the models were actually done by me initially, and I was learning at the time how Django works, because that's first time I've been developing backend with Django. I just heard good things about it. Yeah, product was actually me mostly at the time, and probably it changed since I stopped. And then after a while, I just kind of started doing, AI agent, which with it's mostly actually pleasant experience. I'm very happy with what my AI has built for me. Let's just adjust the camera. So yeah, yesterday I was using this camera and it was beautiful, but unfortunately, I think unfortunately it's a bit harder to set up. So I'm back to my laptop camera, and the new camera will come tomorrow or the day after. It's Christmas, obviously, so I bought myself a new camera for Christmas. So that's great. Yeah. So this is my backend. As I said, like 10% of it was me, 90% was AI, and it's pretty decent actually. So like once, if I'm bit vigilant and sort of, oh, hi there. Oh, it's you again. Hey man, I'm back. Yeah, again. What are you doing today? Today I'm testing cheap AI agents because I ran out of credit in my main sort of, I don't remember them, like, I think I was using most GPT 5.2 and Claude Sonnet, wherever. So now today I'm gonna be trying the cheap ones because I'm I don't want to put another $5 to to Microsoft. I already paid them enough, so let's try what they give for free. And yeah, so that's gonna be a fun journey. um I remember how those working out for you. Yeah, yesterday there was this other guy, Ahmed, and he offered that he would be doing testing. So we actually had some correspondence. Like we emailed I emailed him, and like we spoke to each other over email, obviously. And in a couple of days, I think he will be he offered to do some testing for the app. So we will do some, hopefully he will not destroy too much of it. Hopefully my application will hold quite well, although there are definitely some problems with it that we'll see. So he volunteered to actually play with it. So this is my app again, and I wish I remember my passwords, but I've been testing actually sign up. So like it's actually on render as well. This is my testing environment, and there is another one, like a production environment. This one, which is used already by one of the clients. It's a free client. Obviously, he's using it for free. I will actually be also creating a couple of, like, I think, like, in terms of the application, it's pretty much done. There are just, I could probably start selling it today, I hope. And like, as far as I know, like, it's pretty decent. I think, like, it's that, like, I've been working on the applications for many years, and this is actually one of the most complete applications I've ever done. So I've been working for like a bank where you just like create like a tiny bit of the application, and then it's used by millions of people, which is great. But it's like your part is this big. Or I've been working for like software house where we would be building stuff for client, and the client would disappear suddenly, because they couldn't pay, because it took longer uh, than expected, I guess, and they couldn't afford it. So, like, there was like quite many applications I worked on, but like this one is actually the closest to being complete in long time. I've been so yeah, it's actually a great thing to play with. And yep, the interface looks fine. Yeah, I think it's fine. It's pretty good. Like, I could probably add some of the bits. Backend is also working properly, I believe. Yeah, I think I'm quite happy with backend. I mean, the thing is, like, I'm mostly front end developer, so backend is like, I will have to do some testing in terms of like security and stuff. So that's something that I'm probably less certain about. Although I think, like, you know some of the stuff, some of the code, even like when I was checking the AI agent, how it implemented my security, it looked actually like documentation. So, like, if you look at Django documentation, how it's done, it's not too far away, I think. Like, when I was checking that. So I think, like, it's pretty good. Yeah, and the front end, I think, like, it's responsive. It's it's kind of, it looks good in most of the places. I think there are some things that I might not like, but like, I'm trying to remember that this is an app that, like, even if I'm picky and I don't find something perfect, like, it still should go out. I should still start. Like, my hope is for it to actually feed my family and pay my bills. And so yeah, my hope is actually for this thing to really be used by people. So now I just have to start shipping it to people and just start getting users, even like for free for now, and then later, after a while, paid. Yeah, so, like, yeah, I'm quite happy with the interface. And yeah, like, it's not my like, one thing I don't really love here. It's actually, I use Tailwind, which is like the standard now, I guess. And I never, like, I never coded myself. I've never, like, I love styled components and things like that with React. And Tailwind is like, I wasn't very familiar with it. Like it looks like CSS, but like I'm not really used to working with it. So like there was a, but like I can still work with it, but sometimes I would just like go in. If I wanted to change something, I would go in and just like put like styles basically, like in HTML I would just put style equals wherever. Yeah, let's say in here. Like if I wanted to change this stuff, like I would try to find like a class. That's fine. Okay, like so I can guess that this is the rounded. It means that it's gonna have rounded corners. But then if I couldn't get that working, and like quite often I couldn't. I don't know like why. Maybe my setup is incorrect. I don't think this is actually this should be here. Other delivered mustard. I think this is main. Okay, yeah, I can understand. DBH. To be honest, I can see potential in your project. If you can pitch it to food chain or even perhaps who are drop shipping. Yeah, I think that's yeah, I agree. Like it has actually potential like for like this is not going to be like a I mean I'm not expecting it to make millions to me, but like I would be happy if it's just gonna you know do couple thousands, so like if we and to do that I need hundreds of users at most. I need in the pricing I'm doing, like I need probably about 200 or 300 users to actually, so I don't have to go back to corporation. So like if I don't want to, and this is my goal here, so like if I want to leave off this application, and obviously I would expand it and maybe build another ones later, but I just need a couple of hundreds of users, which is not that actually a lot. I think. Yeah, I think like I need like 100 users, 100 paying users for it to feed my family. So to pay my mortgage and stuff and pay for my daughter's horse, classes. This is horse riding. What are you thinking about pricing? Oh yeah, I do have that actually already. So I can actually show you my pricing, and I think I have it. Is it like if I go to pricing? Pricing. Is it gonna show? No, actually. Um, let's just log out. If I sign up, I'm able to just create another user, admin one, and then password one, password one. So like, this is basically like pricing. Currently, like I have like a free tier. This is actually for testing, and people can, so people can use it. Like I might keep it later. We'll see if it sells well. So the obviously free. Everyone was free, and then like most popular. This is just like a this is like a label I add. So this is not based on or maybe it is actually. I mean, I could obviously like because like I have a testing account here. Um, so yeah, so that would be like for small companies. Those two are actually my biggest markets, I guess. So there would be like small to medium companies. Small to medium companies where if I get, I guess, 100 of those people, I'm really I'm happy. I like this application is paying my wage. So like the goal is that, like, obviously I'm a greedy guy and I want as much as possible, but like if I get 100 people like that, like 100 starters, I'm a good guy. I'm good. If it's more, then brilliant. I also work with another guy. His name is Rafa. Although, like, we are still talking about how much shares we're gonna share between each other. But I'm gonna have like most of it. Obviously, I've been coding this for the last 2 months, so it's my baby. Yeah. So, like, yeah, as I'm saying, like, if I get 100 of those people, I'm happy. Like if I get some business and like an enterprise or like bigger ones, like probably like I can get more expensive car and stuff. But that's not really the most important. Like for me, like I will be happy if it kind of makes money, and I think it will actually sooner or later it will actually start making some money. Maybe I can help, like a salesman. I can contact local restaurants and places who need. Where is local for you? Where are you? What I can do actually, maybe yeah, I think that's a great idea. I mean, I love that idea. And what I will do, I will India. Oh, good, great place. I mean, I've never been to, but I heard good things. I've seen some nice pictures. Um, that sounds like a great idea. And what we can do is I will actually create like this module, but maybe a bit later, where you could get. But I have to sell a couple of those to see how much I can actually pay to someone for finding me a client. So I might be able to pay you like 100 euros or whatever, or 50 euros per customer, per using customer, or stuff like that. But I need to find how much I can actually pay for paying customer. Or maybe you could get 20% of that as for lifetime of the user. So things like that. um, yeah, that's probably. Do you use Discord? You can connect there if you want. Oh yeah, no, I never actually used Discord. Let's just do it. Oh no, I used Discord actually, like just once for this. I was a couple of months ago. I was like a mentor or like on this huge hackathon, and they used Discord. So probably I can log in somehow. Let's just do. I think I might have it somewhere on Discord. You're live on YouTube. Good. Discord. Do I have it here? Discord. No Discord here. Discord. I will have to. Yeah, I will do that. Yeah, don't worry. I will get that. There. Just you can feel free to email me. It's my first and last name. This is my email. MACIJDRHZ@gmail. Uh, yeah, I will send it to you as well. Yep. Yeah, like yesterday. Feel free to call me. What am I? Oh yeah, I'm supposed to go to Discord, not LinkedIn. Discord. Yeah. Okay. So good to see you. Actually, I don't like this layout. Oh, okay. I know where it comes from. This is actually driven from backend. So I actually set up those pricings, and I will actually have to like make this page sexier because this is almost like my sales page. So I have to actually make this page nicer. I actually have a design here. Open recent planner sales page. Okay, so I would actually move this one there. PM dev, is it? This is my sales page. SaaS sales page design. So what are you up to? Like, okay, yeah. So this is my sales page, and this will actually redirect you to the thing, to this price. Although maybe this pricing will be there, then there should be like a video that will show you how to use it. And I like to do those videos, so I will be actually working on it maybe tomorrow, day after, or something. Like then I need to get some testimonials, hopefully. Maybe this one will hide for now, but like there's the guy that Rafał, who I'm building this with, who is more in the industry, so he might help me with getting some more people. Hi there, new guy. And there is like features. section. I'm just talking about. Oh yeah, come. Um, yeah, and those are the plans. Obviously, the same as on the other place. I think I just need to make sure that those, all this is actually congruent in both of them. And then there's enterprise. That would be just like contact us and sure thing. What I'm thinking about is going to small restaurants and places to do. The thing is, like, I didn't really build it for restaurants, to be honest, like that as such. It might actually work for a restaurant, I guess. Your membership to businesses. Okay, sorry, let me just read it again. Sure thing. I'm thinking about is going to small restaurants and places who don't have something to manage their deliveries, um, like make businesses go digital. My plan is to sell. Oh yeah, I mean, if that sounds like a good idea. Yeah, sounds like something doable. So yeah. I just need to we need to. You need to let me know what would be actually um what sort of price would be good for you. So like as I'm saying, like maybe I could give you like a percentage of this price. So like if they pay me 29 per month, like I just give you half for each user, or maybe third. I don't know, like I need to figure out how much costs I have and stuff. But like if it's hassle free, I can probably give you quite a lot, like lifetime members. Although like I have to build some sort of functionality where you can check how many of your clients are there. So like if you send me someone, I need to be able to um, this guy has to be we need to know that he's paying. And like if he's paying, then you are making money. So like let's say that you gave me like 5 customers for this, and they're paying every month. And then then after 2 months, 2 of them are dropping, so I still have 3 of them. So I'm not paying you for 5, I'm paying you for 3. Like I just need to get that kind of system running to actually know how much I have to pay you, so like it's fair. Because like yeah. So yeah, that's kind of thing. And I think like for you, it's also, you would have to play around with the application to see if it's actually like, so you know how to sell it. Basically, you need to know the application to sell it well. And that would be also, yeah. Yeah, percentage can work. We can take about it over mail or Discord if you're comfortable. Yeah, let's do email for now. I will figure out Discord later. I'm not familiar with it, and like this is actually another communicator I don't need, I guess. So like unless you really, or maybe I should actually go for Discord. I don't know. Like, don't know. I need to check what are the benefits for me for Discord. Maybe test. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, true. Good to know about your project more. Start selling. Yeah, but feel free to just go to this address, this one. You can sign up for one of those. You can go for free, obviously, or you can like basically this is a sandbox account. So there is this testing. This is the testing. So if you just write 42424242424242 and 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Yeah, good. It's not saying those things. Yeah, just start trial. Do the rest 1, 2, 3. Yeah, let's just give it this one. Start trial. So like if you just like you can just sign up for it with this fake 424242, and then basically like I wish I knew remember my password here. Let's try this one. Maybe that's not the one. Maybe that's the one. Yeah, okay. And then like you just play with adding clients and products you do, you put products, you just try to break it, obviously. And there's yep, it's going to do something like this after building my own AI module or something. But so how are you doing with your AI module? Like, what are you building? So here, yeah, here you can upload and export Excel. This is for managing columns. So like if you don't need any columns or you want to add another one, so it's basically a bit more Excel-y, I guess. It's reusable. And then like you have your customers, delivery, suppliers, those kind of toys, which is nice. Who is the second guy? Hi. Can I check like who is actually in the along the people? Oh, gone. Goodbye. Top fans. What are the? Can I give you stuff here? No. Yeah, cool. Do something. Where are you in India? Which part? Oh, hi there. Mohammed Ramzan. Yeah, hi there. I'm Mohammed. I hope I'm correct here with the name. I've been going to actually build some more. Oh, 6 people. Wow, this is like new record. Great. So like back to coding. Uh, we've got my sales page, which I'm gonna be writing later today. Which tech stack have you used to build this? So this is actually front end is React, back end is Python with Django. And you've got Postgres as a database. What else? I'm using my favorite or least favorite actually, a UI library, which is Tailwind. But this is actually like, but the thing is like, I'm not really writing too much of this. Like there is quite a lot of AI that is writing stuff for me. So I can tell you what stack I've got here, but like in terms of um, me actually writing, there's quite a lot of AI. I was going to build an AI website for businesses to make them go digital. Yeah, this looks cool. Yeah, help them staff deliver payments and stuff. But your project do the same thing. Expect the website part maybe. We to do after to the prefer, pref, preferation. Don't know. Can work on that to alter it according to their preference. Yeah, I think I got lost here. Yeah, so that's the stack. I think like it's actually very cool stack actually to work with. The good thing about Django is actually doing quite a lot of magic in be, like in behind the curtain. So it's actually your main language isn't English, I presume. Yes, my main language is Polish, but I lived in London for 10 years. I studied and stuff like that, so I think I'm quite comfortable with it. Although, like I kind of forget some stuff. Yeah. So Django is the main framework. I mean, it's on Python and Postgres. It's pretty good actually. I like this stack a lot. There's quite a lot of cool, like it's actually like you can read it. It's so easy to actually understand. You have your models with some, so company has type of company. It's so easy to actually understand. I think if you just like you can just read it like this. I mean, if you are familiar with code. Uh, yeah, and yeah, delivery history status. So oh yeah, so today I was going to build when this page is empty. Let's say you have no deliveries. Understandable plans look good. I'll contact you on your email to Discord. Yeah, yes, yeah. Let's talk about it. We are making business here with my fellow here. Yeah. Do I have a so? I need to actually display like empty page here. It's actually simple if you think of it. Like in React, it's actually something that we can write very quickly. So this stuff, like, let's not do it with AI. Let's do it like good old fashioned, you know, a brain and a keyboard and stuff. So goodbye AI agent. We need to find where we have it, and because it was mainly built by AI, I'm probably not as familiar with this application as I should be. But let's just find that out. Let's just do good old fashioned like React, finding the components in React. Like, we have um, this thing. Oh, let's just go to the like local host version. Ooh, no, do I have like I do have account. I'm sure I do. Yeah, maybe this guy. Maybe zero. I need to, like, you can see that I was never a tester. Uh, I would like have application to run my passwords and logins and stuff. And like now I'm trying to guess where, like, what's your username? Come on, maybe this guy. Uh, yeah, this 1 or 0. Yeah, I suck at my application. Let's try this guy here. Please work on LinkedIn. Yeah, just. Yeah, okay, maybe this guy. Please log in. Let me in. I can obviously go to the database and just like um, find out, or I can just sign up. Okay, I just have a new user. So this is my first and last name again. Like, this is a new company, corporation. Yeah, Machi Corporation. Username, and let's just have this one. And the password, I just reuse this one all the time. Please don't try to hack it. I mean, you can try to hack it. It doesn't matter really too much, because oh, I've got 5 people. Good. Because like if whoa, I've got why there's so many. Enterprise starter team. Oh, okay, I know why. Because in the database, I have my old models. So some of this is from Stripe, and some of it is from my database. So I need to clean up my database. So like here on production, I mean this is production, yes. Here on I should have 4 obviously. So like 3, like starter, team, and business. So those 3 should go to the bin because they're all my old pricings. Like, yeah, I just have to clean my clean my database. Sorry for that. And let's just start a free trial. Will you let me? Come on. Price ID not configured on this plan. Oh, maybe this one. Okay, I need to clean. What's your tech stack? Okay, yeah, again, React, Django, Postgres. What else is there as a tech stack? Yeah, luckily it doesn't show you all the numbers, because otherwise I would have to. Yeah, Django. It's like it's first time I'm building such a big application with Django, where I would be the main guy, or like Python. Sorry, I will just like sign up. I know you can't really. You shouldn't. I shouldn't show stuff on the internet in terms of, like, even if it's fake account. I think like I will be careful. Like, it's a bad habit to do that. So let me just like. Yeah. Okay. Let's start my free trial. Yeah, Django and React. like I've been for last 10 years I've been working with React almost exclusively, and it's a good framework. Oh, come on. Did you not sign up? Maybe there's like I had a bug before. Um, mm, Jesus. Come on. Okay, I think I might have a bug here on the backend of context. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. My backend is not. Oh no, it is up. Oh, is there like a error here? Session ID. Okay, no, this just creating Stripe checkout session. That's fine. Looks normal actually, and now it doesn't can't find my password. And because I didn't really. Are you using AI to write boilerplate code or writing everything on your own? No, actually, like this application was written like 80% or 90%. It's hard to say. Like mostly with AI, and then I was just like sometimes I would just like go in and just change things. But like basically, yeah, it's 80% vibe coded, maybe 90% vibe coded, and then like I would be, you know, doing some fixes myself if I just didn't, if I got too annoyed by AI, basically. If it's too like, or if there was a small change, like okay, I would go in and just change it. But usually, like I would just use AI to do that. Even like because I used Tailwind, which I hate. Uh, yeah, don't even get me started. I was listening to a podcast some time ago from the Tailwind creator, and they were talking about like problem with CSS, and they were saying that okay, like the problem with like they were talking like Tailwind is fixing a problem with CSS, but they didn't define what was the problem with CSS. Like I can't find it. I think like it's pretty good. Oh yeah, I don't know if I can actually get into my application today. Okay, let me just like I have a Beaver. Is it the Beaver? The Beaver. Yeah, let's just check my account here. Is having off context. Maybe there is actually a bug on my backend because I don't know. It's um shit. Like it's gonna be such a bad developing session. I might not develop anything today. Um, let's just go connect to my data. No, I don't have it set up here. No, okay, it's another no, another letdown. Yeah, let's go here. Okay, so this is localhost. What was I going to show you guys? Whatever. Um, yeah, so the so today actually like I've been working on basically like a sales page to start selling my app. So my goal is to go live next week. Sorry, like someone is knocking my door. Sorry. Whoa, 7. That's a new record. So yeah, like I'm doing today my sales page, and I need to actually start connecting this. So this is a design I will actually fill up, and I will connect those Stripe payment things to this table. So some features, I think that they will stay as they are. I need to get some people using it, so then I will get testimonials for the application. This will be like a video that will be showing like how the application is running. So like I will go through the application, log in, register, add some products, remove some products, import, export Excel, um, those kind of lovely things. Let's go here actually, maybe. So yeah, I will do just as I would be using it. Then I will edit it nicely into like 2 or 3 minutes of video. My kids are annoying, but yeah, that's fine. So then I will edit it into like 3 minutes video. And like, when I have this page, and I think like design is pretty cool here. I like this, this design. I like this player. This will be actually obviously YouTube. So I will actually embed like YouTube player here. This will be some just static text. Static text. This is actually from I have it from the database. Although on my log, no, here on my test environment, it's like I have to clean up the database. And then start free trial, some fake links for now. Planero, 2024. And yeah, this is actually where I will be actually trying to sell people. I will connect this page to this channel, even like this YouTube channel. I can obviously refer to that. It will be under like planero.eu. Although I might actually need to. Oh, no, this is so annoying. This is I do have HTTPS for this page, for this domain, so I don't know why it's actually blocking me here. It should work. So I will actually connect through this URL and start sending people to this to this URL through Google AdWords or wherever, or Instagram. I don't know. I will start spending money on promotion, and hopefully I will get some businesses just using it. And then it's paid per month, so I need a couple of users to actually start paying my bills and stuff. So I think like the cost of this application now, once it's actually developed, it's probably about like I need to find 2 users for them to pay my costs, so like the render, subscription, like database and stuff. So if I want to be on like on Plus, I need like 3 users with the cheapest. I mean, free paid users with the cheapest account. If I get like, probably need like 100 to pay my, like, so I don't have to go back to corporation. Basically, that's my goal. So if I want to, if I want to be living off this application and making money of it, and exclusively from this, I would probably have to have like 100 users to So this would actually generate about 2,500 euros. That would probably pay my bills. I know. I have an expensive mortgage. This is cool. Do you have any questions, guys? Because I should be actually. I was promising that I will be building stuff with Chip AI, although I can't log into my application here. Actually, let's build this one with Chip AI. I think that's pretty good idea. What can I build here? I think I should. Oh yeah, okay. I have it. You play violin. My daughter does. I'm actually. This is ukulele and guitar. I can play guitar actually. Maybe ukulele, like very crappy. My daughter plays violin. But yeah, this is not how we make how we earn money in my family. Yeah. Yeah, so well, actually, my goal is now to try to replace pricing page, which hopefully I can run here. This one, no, I'll log out. Just use this one and log out. That's cool. I can play drums. Nice. Is it card? No. Okay, so now. Okay. I have to allow using app just TSX. Let's just allow using. What's this? This is my AI that wrote to me. If okay, so this is. I love this. This is like. Conditional statements in JS. It's funny. Why isn't there if statement. Like this would be so much more readable. That's fine. Not actually, but needs to practice. Yeah. This is a yeah. Okay, this was AI. Like obviously you can say the thing is like I used to use like React uh, React. What's the name for router? Yeah, React router. But for some reason on render, when I was publishing my page, I couldn't figure out why like it wouldn't like I would have empty roots and like AI is doing something beyond our comprehension. I mean, I understand that. It's actually easy to read if you think of it. Like if this is if the page is empty, or page is products, product page. If page is product details, this page. The thing is like because I had problems with router, I asked AI to rewrite my routing, so it actually created this. And I know it looks funny, but it's actually like very easy to read for me. Like so it's if it's one of those pages, open this page. Very simple. Like the simplest code you can think of. So it's not like AI did like horrible job here or anything. Like it did it's a serviceable job. Oh yeah, but like I wanted to use my to find my pricing page. Where is pricing? So if page equals pricing, position top. Why there is toaster? Oh, okay. So it's asking some sort of toast. Yeah, let's try this one. Is there like a why? It's funny. Okay, do I have some sort of subscriptions plans? Okay. Oh, so it's actually getting the subscription plans. But what is preventing me from getting to that page? Review. I'm kind of wondering because okay, so if it's a pricing page, does it? Okay, so return some toaster. I don't know what toaster is actually. And pricing page, but like, oh, okay, if loading, if I have a user, but like, okay, why the maybe I'll have to get back to React Router. I thought it's improvement to actually get rid of it, but maybe I'll actually have to go back and fix it. Okay, position top center. That's fine. If page equals pricing, and page is just like I guess we use now. Okay, we get those nav. So it's a pricing page. But why am I oh okay, required of like so this is like I need to be authenticated in order to see those pages, which makes sense because those are actually routes within the application. But why I wonder like why when I'm not logged in, my routing doesn't let me in there. Go back here. Where are you? So, oh, my okay. Localhost 3000 pricing. No, it's actually redirecting me. So when I'm in slash pricing, oh, okay. So maybe it needs to be like page equal pricing like this. Okay, yeah, that sucks. Okay, this is horrible. Now I have to figure out how to get rid of it. Let's go to my backend. Localhost 8000 API admin. Let's go to admin and subscription plans. I think I have too many plans here. And for example, this one is incorrect. Let's get rid of them. This is actually really nice from Django. Like if you ever worked with Django, it's a like this admin you get for free, and like this basically reflects your database and your data. Yeah, it reflects your database in terms of like your models that you defined in Django. And if you so for example, one of my models is subscription plans, and there I can actually add different values to it. But I can also use this this admin to manage them, which is really good. So otherwise, I would have to write it down, write it, create API and stuff, and then I just have it here. Okay, I just want to delete selected subscription plans. Go. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, good. Okay, so now let's just refresh it. This is nice actually, because this is actually all reflected from the database. And here, sorry, but I would take my leave now. Yeah, yeah. Thanks for coming, dude. Like, it's nice to see you. You're my like, you know, you've been on all of my live casts, so like it's great. Yeah, have a nice day, dude. It's evening where you are, isn't it? Like here it's midday. It's 2 p.m. So in India it's probably like evening. Yeah, like 7, 8. But yeah, thanks for coming. What was your name, by the way? Yeah, we'll see. 6, 8. Okay, that's still fine. Yeah, have a nice evening, dude. And yeah, see you next time. And the thing is, like, feel free to play with this application. If you find a way, like if you have idea, Shoria, is it correct? Shoria. If you find a way, like if you wanna, I just need to figure out how to make sure that when you find me a customer, I will fairly pay you for him. Unless it's like if he signs up, like I will just pay you like a lump sum at first. But that's I have to figure out how much I'm comfortable with paying to to you, and then we can try to get that rolling. We can make some good, nice, beautiful money together. Oh, okay. So yeah, my goal now is to use AI, my Chip AI, to get this page look like the other one. 5.1. So this is other front end that I've actually created with same technologies. Is it? Is it running? Okay, maybe I closed it. New window. Sales page. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. See you next time. Okay, planner sales page. Let's just run this project. PM dev. Good. That's nice. And now that we, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if I should complain about this code or just love it. As I was saying, it's readable. It's funny. Um, yeah. And where's my? Oh, so yeah, I want to bring this page, to the other project. Let's just. Can I like point? Okay, so I'll probably just have to. Yeah, I'll just move it. Where's my pricing page in the other one? So I have my pricing page here. Pricing page. And it's doing some funny things. Like I obviously hate how this is actually done by my AI. But that's a downside sometimes. But let's just let's just move one by one. I think like yeah, I was telling you that I will be using Chip AI, but like I don't know how to even do it. Like I've got two different projects across two different folders. I could probably just move the other. Oh yeah, I could move the other up. I could just create pricing page 2, I guess. Let's see if it's doable. Page 2, and then like if I just bring like the code, because this is all in one file, which makes it easy actually to move around. Yeah, let's just move all of that to pricing page 2. Whoa, no. And then like my pricing page, let's just rename here. It will be just pricing page. Yes, pricing page 2. Oh, okay. Then I need to find those. I've got Lucy. Let's see how many of those I can harness from, okay, I have a button, so it will find it, I guess. Good, yeah, we have a button. Let's see if other stuff. Okay, image with a fallback. Is this something I created? Yeah, I guess I did. Show video. Okay, so let's have the image with fallback from here. Where's my image with fallback coming from? Image with fallback. Figma. Image with fallback. Okay, so if I just if I have a button somewhere here, image with fallback, and this image with fallback. Okay, let's just bring that one there. Image with a fallback. No, we didn't find it yet. Come on, find it, you idiot. Let's see if I have other stuff. Testimonial card as well. So I need to actually copy more features card. Okay, so I need to copy all of them. Pricing card. Okay, let's just create those. Let's just copy those straight away. So I have this. Oh, this is only one. Oh, okay, so this is also feature card, testimonials. Okay, let's copy those. And where did I place that? The other one. So it's source, components. No, no. UI probably somewhere here. Basic. My naming here is bad. I created this like folder structure that I actually hate now, but I can always blame it on AI. Obviously, that would be a lie. Where is my testimonial card? Why don't you see my testimonial card, dude? Come on. Yeah, you know it's there. Okay, let's just like image with fallback. Let's just find it. Yeah, I can. This is how people used to program back in the days. They would just like go to UI, go to basic image with fallback. See, like, and what about the other ones? Like, do you think it will see them as well? No. Testimonial card, features card, testimonial card and feature card. I think those are two. Price and pricing card. I need to import those. And what's here? It seems fine. Okay, so let's just bring those three components from import pricing card from, is it like this or maybe like this? That's obviously not marketing, and that's probably pricing card. Good, yeah. One down, two to go. Let's just do, whoa, no. Import for, oh, see, oh, come on, AI. Yeah, you gave it to me. Testimonial card. Why you twice? No, feature card. Good. Yeah, working. So now let's see if my, so now I have to replace my pricing page 1 with pricing page 2. And I think that's going to be it. Please don't laugh here, guys. Pricing page 2. Let's just import that one and see how it looks, if it's going to work. Although, like, I will have to also connect that to my backend. Okay. How do I toaster top? How can I just do if the page equals pricing? Oh, okay. I know. So it's not slash pricing, so it's localhost 3000. And here page. Oh no, this is Ukrainian. And or maybe is this like how we do it? No. Oh, okay, button. Doesn't like my button here, do you? Pricing card. Okay, so maybe it has different pricing card. Okay, yeah. I know. No, not you. Pricing card. We had pricing card, and this doesn't like the button I'm giving it because it needs to be link to this button. Yep. Let's see if now it's gonna look better. Oh yeah. See? Oh no, that's not pricing. Page equals no. And no. No. So no, is it? Oh yeah, good. But now it looks horrible. So like I guess my CSS needs to be brought in. Oh, no one here. Everyone is gone. Yeah, let's keep on going. Obviously. My road to can I promote this stuff? And stream share YouTube. Whoa. Okay, sorry. So now I'm like I should bring my CSS here because I want it to look like this rather than like this. It's so much nicer. Nope. So I guess we need to find where's my CSS here. So like, okay, I have some fonts. Here this index doesn't really change much. Theme, H1 button. No, that's not it. Where's the CSS I can use in this application? It's like it's not here. Image with fallback. So where's the application CSS? Because this is not Tailwind. This is just standard Tailwind. So index doesn't bring. Oh, where's theme? Oh, okay. So it just brings this. So the only one that has some real CSS is actually this theme thing. So base, apply body, HTML. No, nothing really useful here because I want to be able to style it. Obviously I need to bring those icons. Sorry, this image, and that's it. But then, yeah, okay. Again, where is this? Okay, I can probably test it, check it here. So when we have our CSS here, it's like a main file, bringing CSS. This that one, index CSS, source style index CSS. Is it? Yeah, probably. Yeah, looks like there is more. Oh, okay. So probably this is something that I need to bring. That sucks. Okay, just try to bring this CSS into nap theme. No, main TSX. No. Oh, okay. So probably like it's in the main folder somewhere. This index is not bringing. Okay, main TSX. No. Where's my CSS here? How are you bringing the CSS that is not really brought in there? Post CSS. No. Okay, let's just. This is where my Chip AI comes in, and I can ask my Chip AI, hey, Chip AI, can you tell me why? Okay, what CSS styling move from this to get my app component looking like here? Chip AI, I I'm manually moving this app next to other project as a page component. Okay, let's see if it's gonna point me to what I'm missing in this project. Why is my CSS is not really showing correctly. See, like this is smart. GPT 4.1 seems to be quite smart model. Let's see. To get your app component looking like the same as the project, import those CSS files from main entry. Fonts CSS. Okay. So when I styles, so I need to bring all of those. But I actually thought I have them in the other project because basically, like both of those projects are exports from Figma, and Figma has this AI module where you can just like export ready stuff, and then I actually thought that this would do, because no, this is actually, so we have a global here, and then so let's just bring all of those. Yeah, I should be smarter actually before. So I've got styles here, so fonts, index, and the other one. Let's see. So I have this. So I have those styles here, and in globals, and then in no index. Okay, font, tailwind. So which one is the main one here? That's probably the one. What happened? Okay, I just brought. So I brought tailwind, fonts, and index CSS. I brought. Did I just replace one from there? Fonts, theme, tailwind, index. Oh, I hope it's not gonna fuck my project up. Okay, let's just undo this. So in this project, I have only one. I have global CSS. Okay, so I need to bring fonts. What's index doing? Okay, I need to bring this, this, yes. Okay, so I'll bring all of them, and then I need to remember that index is equivalent of globals here. So globals and index. Okay, so I will just move this to here. Oh, fine. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Yes, I've got my body. Okay, I think it might actually work. I'll just bring this stuff in here. Index gonna go to bin. And let's see if it's gonna pricing. Yeah, okay, pricing prep. Oh, it doesn't like me. Yeah, I will have to rewrite this routing. I don't really like how it's done. I don't know why it's actually, yeah, sucks. This is shit. Pricing. Why doesn't this page work? Okay, but at least it didn't break my CSS, all my CSS. So now, okay, let's just restart it. Let's see. This one. One. Yeah, okay. So page was pricing. Yeah, okay, didn't do the job. Okay, so first step. Font style theme. Ensure the new project has the same font import CSS variables from font CSS. I don't know. It does, but it's missing some CSS layout rather than fonts. So like that's not a problem. Does, yeah, okay. I think it's more about like some CSS setup here. But there's nothing here to be causing the problems. There might be something in terms of like a library. Um, styling library. Yeah, I think it might be actually something from that stuff. Let's see if the other one has Redux. Packet JSON. Yeah, it does. So accordion, all of it. So maybe that's another one. Class variance authority. Age grid community. I actually don't need age grid. Let's just get rid of this one. Class variance authority. Axios. Yes, it's fine. Sorry. So yeah, Axios is fine. Class variant authority. It's actually where is my CSS that I'm actually missing here? Because like this is all similar. This is all similar. Hard to say. Top fans. What are the problems here? Pricing features, max products. Argument of type is not as... Okay, so why don't you... Well, this is just some styling crap. Let's just see if my AI will figure it out. Can I fix it? This is actually what my favorite part of AI. Like some typing errors. I used to really struggle with them. And now it's just like you just tell it, just figure it out. Although like we need to know, I need to know styling a bit less now. I mean, not styling, TypeScript less. I can forget some of the basics because I'm not really using it. Like I'm not really writing it anymore. Okay, yeah, I think it just figures it out. To local string. Okay. Yeah, keep. Okay, good. So module is status has no exported member is status. Why? I status. No, yeah, you're right. Whoa. I state. No, there's no such thing as I status. So let's just get rid of this one and just string. But that now it's probably gonna cause some other problems. Shit. This Kanban board. This is like 500 lines. Way too big for me. Good. File delivery. Yeah, okay. I think like I'm sort of struggling with this today. Okay, let's just sit down. My legs are killing me. That's better. That's way better. Yeah, let's just get comfortable now. Where am I? So, where am I? Oh yeah, the styling again. This this is growing already, and like I don't know why. Now here I'm importing those theme files. Tailwind. I think it does have that one, so maybe I'm doing it twice. Where's my theme? Okay, that doesn't it see the theme? Or am I in the theme actually? Oh, okay. Yeah, funny. Why? Um, so we've got theme CSS, but did did I not? Yeah, so I added theme. Okay, so I shouldn't really look into this file. I'm obviously. I think this is the one where where this and theme and other stuff should come in. But okay, we've got this stuff. So root can go to the bin, I guess. So we got the same thing twice, is it? Yeah, let's just get rid of this bit. Done now. Okay, so let's in globals because my initial. Okay. Uh, yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna give up today. It's a successful podcast where I had a couple of people. We had a nice chat with what's his name, Shoria, and yeah, we might be doing business together. We'll see. But what wasn't successful, I didn't manage to move this lovely page to the other place. Okay, that's. Oh, did I just break it here? Ah, shit. Oh no, I didn't. So I just want to bring this page here, and it has all those nice interactions. This is my sales page, obviously. I want to move it to the other project, so this needs to be here. But I'm still sort of building it, and obviously, like this part where I have those plans, it's actually brought from the backend, so like it needs to be part of the sales page. So I will have to actually figure it out how to get those two running together. Hi there. How to get those running together. Uh, yeah, as I'm saying, like I love this project. I love this design, but I can't figure out how to get all of this here unless no. And this pricing part will have to be fed from the backend. So I do have a backend endpoint that gives me that data, and I just need to plug it here. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, guys, for coming, whoever was here, and thanks for watching. That was a great podcast. I think I will be doing them every day, and I will be coding like live all more often. So yeah, thanks for that. Thanks for coming. See ya. And